Video Creator software or Video Creator from Paul Ponna is an all-inclusive video creator app that makes it super easy for anyone to create professional videos for all marketing goals from one platform. What you get inside Video Creator software: hundreds of video templates, all in one video creator, videos in all dimensions, millions of royalty-free images and videos, built-in copyright-free music library, 720p HD videos, step-by-step training, upload your own assets, unlimited video renders, multilingual video support, commercial license, for the commercial version, not the personal, sell the videos, Facebook group access, Skype mentorship group access, 8-week training webinars, Skype mentorship group access, anything you can imagine, you can build in minutes with Video Creator. Create amazing scroll stoppers, 3D product features, e-commerce videos, motion tracking videos, explain your videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, live action videos, 3D visual effects, hyper-realistic dynamic scenes, video ads, social media videos and a whole lot more. Video Creator is like an encyclopedia for video featuring hundreds of beautiful video templates. This is a very big collection of high-quality video templates available in any one app. Video Creator software main features: large collection of pro-quality video templates available in any one app. Revolutionary logo motion tracking technology. Sizzling hot scroll stopper videos. Live action text messaging videos featuring real human actors. Profit-boosting e-commerce and 3D product mock-up videos. Photorealistic 3D animation videos. This video was created with Video Spin Blaster, which software you can find also on my site at realgoodsoftware.com.